Hi. In this session, we will continue on our journey by diving into further on the subject of data types and formats and how to edit them. Like the last session, you can follow me from the handout as well. For this session and the following ones, we are going to use extensively QGIS Data Source Manager, which provides a window that can be used to organize and manage various types of data and data sources that could be handled via QGIS. Generally, the data source can be divided into two main types, namely vector and raster. Therefore, QGIS accumulates similar types under those categories. Similar data format can be opened using one of the relevant categories. For example, in order to open a simple shapefile, Vector tab of the Source Manager must be selected. Similarly, any GeoTIFF image can be opened up easily using Raster tab. The data that is going to be transferred from the other sources, namely databases, web and mapping services, and most importantly servers, are going to be processed by the QGIS engine, either as raster or feature, depending on the very nature of the data that is connected via Data Source Manager. Again, download the supplemental materials and extract them to an appropriate location. Now we are going to create a new shapefile. In order to create a shapefile, select Layer, New, and New Shapefile from the main menu bar. Or you can use Browser from the browser pane. Select the folder in which you are going to create a new shapefile and right-click and select New and Shapefile, which will open the same pane. Give it an appropriate name and select Geometry Type from the drop-down menu. Please be sure to select or define an appropriate coordinate reference frame. In our case, select European Datum 1950 UTM Zone 36N with the EPSG code 23036. We can add fields. For example, for the area attribute, you can add a field with decimal number type. Or, for name attribute, you can add a field with a type of text data. Hit OK. Open or drag or drop the newly created shapefile to the layer panel. In order to edit or introduce a new feature to this layer, toggle editing mode. Add new features and populate each field accordingly. In the coming session we will see how to populate some of the fields automatically, but for now, enter a meaningful value or text for the fields. Please repeat the same steps for the other feature as well. In order to apply these changes to the shapefile or the layer, do not forget to save your progress. This sums up our session. Today, we have learned how to create a new shapefile and how to edit it. See you next time. Have a nice day.